welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Etsy vlog, but before I start this Etsy vlog off, I want to have a little chit chat with you guys. So I feel like my Etsy vlogs are kind of just the same thing because that's basically what I do every day, you know? Things change a little bit, but not much. I mean, it's basically design, print, cut, package in a nutshell. You know what I mean? Like, that's basically what I do. And so I want to know, one, what you guys want to see. Do you like those? Do you want me to just keep doing stuff like that? Because I can keep doing that, but I want to make it more entertaining for you guys. I don't want to feel like I'm just filming the same video over and over again. So I want to know what you guys want to see. I know a lot of people, like, in the comments were saying they want to see a more in-depth video. I don't know what you guys want to see. Like, I want to know what exactly, when you say like I want a more in-depth video, what are you wanting to see? Like, are you just wanting longer clips of things I do? Do you want me to like talk through them more so I explain like what I'm doing? I don't know. I don't know, and I want to make sure that I'm making content that you guys are enjoying, and I want to share like that side of Etsy with you guys because I know not a lot of people do. It's so much that goes into it that I think people want to see or want to know about, and there's just not like somebody to show what's going on. I don't know. So I like that side of Etsy. I like showing the behind the scenes stuff, but I'm just like stuck on what else you guys want to see. And so I don't want to like keep repeating the videos, you know? So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see, like as far as in depth. Also, I want to do a Q&A video, so if you guys have questions about Etsy shop, like shop stuff you want to know, behind the scenes stuff you want to know, anything shop related, Etsy related, sticker related, whatever, leave questions in the comments because I really want to do a Q&A for you guys. So with all that being said, I'm going to jump in to today's Etsy vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to today's Etsy vlog. I'm going to show you guys what it's like to have a sticker shop. Also, don't mind my kitchen, it really needs to be cleaned, but today's Monday, so it's like all the weekend, you know. Do you guys feel me? Like, I feel like the apartment gets really messy over the weekend. Just me? I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys today what we're doing today. So today I need to design, I need to cut some freebies. Yeah, I just have a lot of stuff to do, so I'm just gonna like show you guys. I also have a couple orders that I need to get done. So let's get into today's vlog.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind.
Some more behind the scenes of Etsy. I am editing a video. So this is actually behind the scenes of YouTube and Etsy. It's when YouTube and Etsy collide. But basically I'm doing a video on how to create half boxes. So I'm editing the screen recording part of that video right now. I'm really tired today. I don't know what my problem is. So let me just show you guys. Oops, I'm trying to make these vlogs a little bit different. So this is what I have to do today. I need to work on designing. I need to work on, so I'm gonna fill it with like, oops, I like unpause that. So I need to work on designing new stickers, working on orders, working on Black Friday freebies because I have a couple people that I'm swapping with. I've already swapped with like a ton of people, but I have a couple more that I need to get out by Friday. I'm currently filming this Etsy vlog. I had to work on sticker files for a friend, so I did that this morning, and then I have to edit this video, and then I have to do a PO run, and then I also need to buy more ink because I'm running out of ink. So yeah, but that's what I'm doing so far. Oh, I also need to edit, or not edit, I need to upload this video that I'm working on sometime today as soon as I finish editing it. So yeah, I have quite the to-do list, and actually in my little what is this? My day designer, my list is even longer. So because I have just like everything written down. This was yesterday's. I did not do that much yesterday. Like yesterday I was riding the struggle bus, so I did a little bit, but I didn't do a lot yesterday. So today we need to make up for it because this weekend we're going out of town, so I need to, oh my goodness, sorry, didn't mean to yawn. So I need to get everything, not everything, but as much as I can done this week. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff. But I'm going to continue to edit this video and get that done, and then I'm going to do some designing. I'm trying to like reformat my kits, so I think I'm going to show some of that in this vlog. I have not decided like how exactly or like what exactly I want to do with it. So I actually asked you guys in the Facebook group and on Instagram what you guys wanted to see. So everybody's kind of voting, and it's like it's so hard when everybody's voting because it's like 50-50. I guess I'll like show myself right now because I'm actually talking to the camera. Looking, this is the day in the life of the Etsy shop. So I don't always look put together. I wish I did, but sometimes I just don't. I actually got up super early this morning so I could work on stuff. So I didn't have time to like do my makeup and hair and whatever. But I asked you guys like what you guys wanted to see in new kits, and it's like 50-50. Like half of you guys want like one thing, half of you guys want the other. So I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm torn about what to do. Like I have an idea in my head like what I want to do, and it goes against like what half the people are saying they want, but I don't know. I'm gonna play around with it. I'm gonna figure out like the new kit format. I just like, I don't know, maybe it's because it's like close to the end of the year. Maybe I'm just thinking ahead to like January and the new year, but I'm just craving change, just more like shop changes. I watched a video last night and I got so inspired, you guys. Like, you know how like when you've kind of been like feeling burnout or like just not creative and whatever, and you've been dealing with that for a while, and then all of a sudden something happens and you're just like, you've got that spark back and you're like, yes, I'm excited, I'm ready to go, I'm pumped. That happened to me last night, and I'm so glad that it did, because I've just been struggling like with where I want my shop to go, like what I want to do. It's been rough the past couple of months, but I'm really excited because I have like this idea, and I think I'm not going to close my shop in December, but I'm not going to put out like a bunch of new releases. Like the new releases that I get up for Black Friday will probably be the last new releases for the year, because I want to spend all of December like designing, and instead of like designing like all week and then putting it up that week, I want to like take my time. Not that I don't take my time designing, but I want to take my time. I want to like promote the new releases, like instead of just doing it like during the week as I'm designing. Like I want it to be like, okay, these are releasing on this date, and like make it more of a big deal, you know. And I also want to do like $2 Tuesdays, different stuff like that I feel like I can't do right now because of the way I run things, because like it just, I would literally have to design every day, and just like different things that I feel like I can't do because I've not planned them out in advance, if that makes sense. So I think that I'm going to take the month of December to do that, to really focus and zone in on, you know, making my shop like what I want it to be for 2019. And I feel like December is the perfect time to do that, because it's like right before the new year, and just kind of out with the old, in with the new kind of thing. So I'm really, really excited. I just need to share that in the vlog, because I feel like I've just been like in a creative block, and I've just not been happy with how my shop's going. I've just not been happy with certain things. So I'm trying to like switch things up, see if this works for me. I don't know. I'm really excited. It may not, it may be a total flop, I don't know, but I'm excited to try it. And this is like the most excited I've been about shop related stuff in a while. It's been a struggle. Like I've just not, I feel like every shop owner goes through this, and if you're a shop owner you probably know what I'm talking about, but like you just go through a phase where you're just not happy with things, and you just like want to change, like you want to like wipe everything out and start over, you know. I don't necessarily want to like completely start over. Like I'm happy with like my logo and my shop name and stuff like that, but I just want like to reformat and to get my kits where like I'm so happy with them, and like I said, to really just take the time. And like one thing I've noticed a lot of shops doing, which makes total sense, and I just have never done it because like I said, I've never really planned it out in advance, which sounds terrible because I'm a planner, but like I'm not a planner in that regard. Like I don't plan things out like way in advance. I'm really bad about that. I'm kind of like last minute, get your crap together kind of thing, which can sometimes work, but I feel like it's not the best in this industry. Like it's not the best thing I could be doing for my sticker shop. So I've noticed like when shops release sneak peeks, they're like, okay, this is gonna be releasing in like 2 weeks, or this is releasing in a month or whatever. Whereas like whenever I do that, I'm like, oh, it's releasing on Friday, but it might be Wednesday, and I'm like, oh, it's coming in 2 days. Not really giving it's not really building up anticipation. I feel like I'm just rambling. This vlog is just becoming a big ramble today. I'm sorry. I am excited to see what happens with this. But like I said, I've just got to get through Black Friday stuff. And then once I do that, I can spend the rest of December planning this out, working this out. I'm really excited. Like I'm really kind of pumped about it actually. Like I honestly saw this, I watched this video last night. It was probably like 9 or 10 o'clock, and I didn't want to go to bed. I was like, I just want to work on sticker stuff. I just want to work on sticker stuff. Like, and I've had to force myself to do the other things that I have to do today because I just want to like reformat right now. But I can't right now. But I am really excited. So I'm going to take you guys along on that revamping journey when it happens. But today I need to focus on designing stuff probably in my old format just for right now, just to get through Black Friday, because I'm expecting it to be pretty big. I don't know. You never know. Going into these things, you never know what to expect. But I'm hopeful that Black Friday is going to be really busy for me. So I've just got to stay focused on that. And then in December, I can reformat. I can do all these things. But I'm trying to like pre-plan that. You guys, I feel like this vlog's all over the place, and I apologize. But today I'm cutting all of these Black Friday freebies. I actually sent out 12, somewhere around in there, like 12 of these packages already, but I am swapping with a bunch of shops this year for Black Friday, and I'm really excited. But I'm trying to get them all done because we are actually going out of town this weekend, so I just need to have everything done. I've finished orders. Now I'm just working on the freebies. I'm almost done with them. I have 3 more sets to print and cut. So I'm doing 26 in each because I'm doing 25, and then 1 extra for each shop owner that swapped with me. So I'm really excited. I can't wait for you guys to get these. So what I did this year, I tried to do like winter colors and make these more like functional. I feel like these can go with like a bunch of different winter spreads because you've got like the blues and the purples, and I just feel like this is perfect for just functional stuff. Like it's just one of those freebies that you can actually use everything on here in different spreads. Whereas, let me show you what I mean by that. Whereas like this freebie that went out with the UPS fall sale, this is a very specific theme, I feel like, so you can't really use it with everything. But I really liked this. I mean, I feel like you can pull it in with stuff, but it's a lot easier when it's just like basic colors that would go with stuff. So I did like a winter type of freebie. That's why it looks like that. So I'm trying to get all of these freebies done so that way I can then clean and pack and get ready to go. James is supposed to get off early today because we're going to Tennessee for one of my best friend's baby showers tomorrow. And so, so yeah, it's crazy. And then the following weekend, we are going back to Tennessee to visit my family, like pre-Thanksgiving kind of thing, because we can't go for Thanksgiving. James doesn't get Black Friday off, and I don't either. I will be working on orders, which I'm excited about. I'm pumped for Black Friday this year. So when you guys are watching this, it should be up before Black Friday, but we are doing 40% off. We're part of like a collab sale also. So that's exciting. I've swapped with like 17 shops. So there will be so many freebies. If you're one of the first 25 to order on Black Friday, you want to be. It is worth it to be one of the first 25 people, because you guys are gonna get a buttload of freebies, which I'm excited about. But there's also gonna be freebies all throughout the weekend. There's gonna be an exclusive kit that's only for Cyber Monday, so that's exciting. I look like a mess. I'm sorry, guys. This is just how it is running an Etsy shop. Sometimes you don't get to put makeup on or do your hair. You just like focus in, and I've really got to get stuff done today. So yeah, but I feel like this Etsy vlog was kind of all over the place. I don't know, is this what you guys want to see? Like, I tried to make it more of like a vlog and not like a voiceover, me showing random clips, but like actually showing you guys like what I'm doing and talking about shop owner stuff, because that's the other thing. I feel like people don't really talk about the struggles of owning an Etsy shop, or like the real behind the scenes type of stuff. So I'm trying to be like real with you guys. But this week has been a struggle, not only with just like I have a lot to do, and I've been super productive this week and I've not vlogged at all. I'm so sorry, guys. I've been reformatting my kits, which I don't think I showed you on the vlog, but also just mentally, it's been a struggle for me mentally. My anxiety is really bad, and I shouldn't say it's really bad. It's actually been not too bad, but this morning was rough. And sometimes with my anxiety, it's just like it takes all I have just to get out of bed, and that was me this morning. I was just like, I can't do this today. Like I can't do today. And I managed. I'm here. I'm going. I'm on a mission. I've got to do a lot of things. Like, I don't even know. Can you see my kitchen? Yeah. So anyway, I'm trying to make this a longer vlog, and I'm trying to make it like interesting for you guys. So I'm going to stop rambling though, because otherwise it'll be like a 20-minute vlog, and we don't want that either. But I just wanted to pop on, say hey, tell you what I'm doing today. Literally today is just cutting freebies, and then I've got to package them all up, print shipping labels, and then whenever we are headed out of town, I will drop everything off at the post office. I'm editing the Etsy vlog, and I realized I didn't end it. I'm all over the place in this vlog, because I guess I'm filming this for this vlog. But I just wanted to say I'm sorry. Last week, just Black Friday prep. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm really excited for Black Friday, but I'm also just like, what am I doing? So I did want to apologize for that. Normally I'm not like that. Okay, let's be real. I am like all over the place, but I was trying not to be in that vlog, but the week just kind of got away from me and all the stuff I had to do, and it was just a little overwhelming. So I apologize, but I do think that you get to see a different side of like what it's like to run an Etsy shop in this video. And I know I did like this whole little ramble talking about things, but I thought it was important to show different things that happen in an Etsy shop and run it, and like, because I feel like my other vlog was just kind of like, I do this, this, and this, and that's how it is. And like in this vlog, I actually talk about like struggles and things that people go through, and I don't know, I felt like it was different. So hopefully you guys liked it. You got to see a lot of my face without makeup, but again, different side of Etsy. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, if you want to see more. Don't forget to leave in the comments like what you guys want to see as far as like more in depth, or like what do you guys want to see? That's what I want to know. So make sure that you leave me a comment letting me know that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification if you want to see more videos from me. And thank you guys so much. Again, I'm sorry this vlog was kind of all over the place, but next vlog should be better about not being all over the place. So yeah, but that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.